If we are trying to help our homeless population and we're really trying to help and hold all of us accountable to the same standard, that has to be part of the equation, is the accountability portion. But the state needs to do its part.
The Whittier community and neighboring cities are gathered here today to express their ideas and concerns to Whittier Councilman Josue Alvarado, who is running for California State Assembly. One of Whittier's youngest Latino city council member, Josue Alvarado, is running for state assembly. During a community event, the councilman speaks with residents to share his passion to serving the city in a state level. The councilman says in a recent homeless count, very few choose to accept the help they need to live off the street.
It's the chemically dependent individuals that refuse the services because, based on some of the research I've done, some of these drugs are so stimulating to the brain that life without these drugs isn't bearable.
And reforming the Lanterman-Petris-Short-act may be a solution to reducing homelessness.
Now that California is running a surplus, I think it's time we look at those areas to get people that mental health that they need and to get people off the streets and back into a successful life. With some individuals, it is possible.
The councilman's term will expire this year while primary election takes place February. This is Erica Suarez reporting with Eagle Vision News.